Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil on a GMC Envoy. First, gather your supplies. New oil, a new oil filter, a drain pan, a wrench, and a funnel. Make sure your engine is slightly warm, which helps the old oil drain more easily. Park your Envoy on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient oil change process. Now let's drain the old oil. Position your oil drain pan directly beneath the drain plug. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow ample time for all the old oil to completely drain into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, clean the drain plug and reinstall it, tightening it to the manufacturer's specifications. Next, it's time to replace the oil filter. Carefully unscrew the old filter, being mindful of any residual oil. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the gasket of your new filter before screwing it on hand tight. Then, using a funnel, slowly pour the correct type and amount of new oil into the engine. Consult your owner's manual for the exact oil capacity, typically around 6 quarts for a GMC Envoy. After adding the new oil, start your engine and let it run for about 30 seconds to circulate the oil. Turn it off, wait a few minutes, and then recheck the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary. Double-check for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. Remember to properly dispose of your old oil. Also, for an effortless home clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.